Hello, right, another Maker Advent, and today something quick and simple. On the desk I've got a Raspberry Pi 4, Explorer Hat Pro, DC motor connected to the motor output, and I've got some Lego attached to a DC motor. Now those DC motors connect using a D-type shaft. So the shaft, this part here, is D-shaped, it slots on just one way. These adapters from Pimoroni, which are £3.60 for 4, and I got them in the sale on Black Friday, they fit on, that's rolling away, I'll catch that later, they fit on only one way, like this. Try and keep in shot. They're a little tight to start with, there you go, that one's on. But on the other end they've got a cross connection, which is for the Lego Technic. Here we go. For the Lego Technic connection, so you can put one of those axles on. Had to think of the word there. Really handy. So I can now use these motors with Lego. And now I can't get this off. I'll leave that there for now. So I've written a very quick script just to show what this does. It's the same script that I used when I was demonstrating the right angular, which will be on a video somewhere around here. So I'm going to run the script. I'm on SSH right now, just connecting to my Pi remotely. I've got the script ready to go. But you can see that motor is connected and running. And that's Lego Technic stuff I'm controlling. A lot cheaper than Lego's own motorised control system. But don't get me wrong, I've got a lot of that. Yeah, I've got a lot. This is a Lego Spike Prime kit. I was at a hackathon earlier on this year and they gave us that kit for nothing. That's 300 quid of kit. That's a lot, but great fun. So there you go, £3.60 for 4 of these adapters. They just fit straight on and you can use your motors with Raspberry Pi and Lego. And that's it. Cheers. Bonus content for all the Lego fans and ASMR.